You are sitting behind the reference desk when a message from your chat service comes in. The message is from Sam, a first-year law student who needs help researching a legal question for a legal research and writing class. Sam gives you a little background and explains the issue but does not have a clue as to where to begin looking for an answer. You know where he should look and you take a couple of minutes just to make sure the answer is there. It took you several clicks to find the answer. How can you possibly explain this to Sam in a way he'll understand over the chat? Why not show him, even though he's miles away? I use join.me, as a way to share my desktop remotely with chat patrons. In this case, I asked Sam if he would be willing to let me share his desktop with me so that I could show him the research path, and he says sure. I open Join Me and click the orange share option. Join Me will generate a toolbar with a 9-digit code. You can see it here. You can either copy the viewer link to the clipboard, you can send it to the viewer by email, or you can just tell him on the chat to enter the 9-digit code, which in this case is 739-520-509 at join.me. Sam will open Join Me. No registration or download will be required of him, and he will enter that 9-digit code that you gave him. You can then take him to your library homepage and he can see the research path. After you have given the demonstration, you can even ask Sam if he would like to take control of your desktop so that he can find the right resources on his own. Let's see how this would work. In this case, Sam has joined me at this number 739-520-509. He can now see my desktop. I will now take him through the research path that I used in finding the answer to the particular question that he had, which in this case is finding all of the references to pawnbroker in the California annotated statutes. In this case, I'll go to my library's database. I'll click on the link for official California legislative information. I'll click on California law. And since I want to find all statutory provisions, I'll click on all and I'll type the word pawnbroker. This will bring me to a total of 20 code section groups. Although there are multiple code sections within each of these 10 hypertexts. But this is the answer for Sam. If I wanted to, I could save this page, the link to this page, and perhaps include that in my chat, or Sam can copy that down for himself. If I wanted to let Sam take control of my computer, I could click the